Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to bring you another practical computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're covering how to create a system restore point in Windows 11, perfect for protecting your PC before updates or changes. We'll go step by step, explore the process, and share some extra tips to ensure your system stays safe. Let's create that restore point. Stick with me. Alright, let's dive in. First, ensure system protection is enabled. Press the Windows key, type Create a Restore Point, and press Enter. In the System Properties window under Protection Settings, ensure your C drive says On. If it says Off, click Configure, select Turn on System Protection, and click OK. Now click Create in the System Properties window, name your restore point like Before Update, and click Create again. Wait a few seconds, a message will confirm it's done, then click Close. To use the restore point later, go back to this window, click System Restore, and follow the prompts to roll back your system. Here are some extra tips to manage your restore points. First, create a restore point before installing new software or drivers. It can save you if something goes wrong. Second, check your disk space restore points need at least 1 GB, so free up space if needed. Third, if system restore fails, restart your PC in safe mode, press F8 during boot, then try again. Finally, set a reminder to create restore points monthly. It's a great habit to keep your system secure. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support means the world to me, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments if this saved you. I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.